Endangered tortoises have been rescued following a devastating flood that impacted several regions, displacing these vulnerable creatures and exposing them to danger. In a race against time, teams of dedicated scientists and volunteers sprang into action, working tirelessly to relocate the tortoises to safer areas. Their efforts are crucial for ensuring the survival and continued conservation of these endangered species. This operation not only underscores the resilience and rapid response of conservation teams but also highlights the urgent need for effective strategies to protect biodiversity amid increasing natural disasters.